Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to ask for lives in Candy Crush Saga. To ask for lives to your friends in Candy Crush Saga is super easy. Launch open the Candy Crush Saga on your device and then make sure that you're inside this page. Tap on the play button in the page, and then once you end up in the map screen, go to the top left corner of the screen and tap on the heart icon. Now once you end up in this live section, you will be able to see how many lives you have left. If you're out of lives, a pop-up will appear prompting you to either wait for lives to regenerate, purchase lives, or request them from friends. To ask friends for lives, tap on the Ask Friends button. Then you can search for your friend from the friend list. Check your friend you would want to ask the lives from and tap on Ask for Lives option. Right after you do that, you will then be able to ask for lives in Candy Crush Saga. You can also send the request to multiple friends at once to increase your chances of getting a live. Your friend will now see the request in their game notification. Once they send you the lives that you've requested, now if they send the lives to you, you will then be able to receive live on Candy Crush Saga. You can also send lives to your friend and they might return the favor to you as well. Keep an eye on your inbox for lives your friend send you. So that is how you can easily request for lives in Candy Crush Saga if you ever run out of them. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Basics for more Candy Crush Saga tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.